Hi spelling class, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another spelling lesson. In today's class, we're going to be looking at lesson 14. But before we do that, let's do a quick review of what we looked at in our last class on Monday. In Monday's class, we looked at words that had the letter O and then ended in the letter E. So we looked at words such as love, some, glove, none, and shove. So all of those words have the letter O and then they end in the letter E. In today's lesson, so lesson 14, we're going to focus on the sound S, which is spelled with the letter S. So some of the words we're going to look at will be the words stem, ship, smart, swim, and span. So once again, our sound that we're going to focus in today's lesson is the sound S, which is spelled with the letter S. So before we get started with lesson 14, we'll do a quick little activity. You're going to help me sound out some words. So our first word is the word slap. What word? Get ready. Slap. So what's the first sound? Get ready. S. What's the next sound? Get ready. L. What's the next sound? Get ready. Ah. And what's the last sound? Get ready. P. Right? Slap. Let's look at our next word. So listen. The word is spill. Say it. Get ready. Spill. What's the first sound? Get ready. S. What's the next sound? Get ready. P. What's the next sound? Get ready. Eh. And what's the last sound? Get ready. L. And we'll do one more. So our next word will be the word slim. What word? Get ready. Slim. So what's the first sound? Get ready. S. What's the next sound? Get ready. L. What's the next sound? Get ready. Eh. And what's the last sound? Get ready. M. Great job. So now let's look at part A. I'll read what it says in our book. So we're going to write some words. All of these words begin with the letter S. So let's write them together. So our first word is the word stem. What word? Get ready. Stem. So let's sound it out. S, t, m. Right? So our first word is the word stem. Our second word is the word span. What word? Get ready. Span. So let's sound it out. S, p, a, n. Right? Span. S, p, a, n. S-P-A-N. Great job. Our third word is the word ship. What word? Get ready. Ship. Right? We have our sh sound, which is spelled with the letters, S-H. Then we have the sound I, which is spelled with the letter I. Nice job. And then we have a P at the end, which is spelled with the letter P. Great work, right? So we have ship. Our next word is going to be the word swim. What word? Get ready. Swim. Great job. So let's write that down. S, w, I, m. And then our last word is the word smart. What word? Get ready. Smart. So let's write that down. Let's sound out each of the sounds. S, m. Then we have our pirate sound, R, T. Just like that. So here are our 5 words, right? We have the word stem, span, ship, swim, and smart. So all of these words, what do they have in common? They all started with the letter S, which is our featured letter of today's lesson. So if you're not done writing these words down, please pause the video, and then I'll see you in part B. So in our last lesson, we learned how to spell some words that contain the letter O and end in the letter E. So let's see if we can spell some of these words again. So our first word is going to be the word some. What word? Get ready. Some. So write that down for number 1. So once again, for number 1, the word is some. And remember, all of these words have the sound O or the letter O and then end with the letter E. Our second word is the word above. What word? Get ready. Above. So we'll write that down for number 2. Our third word is the word one. What word? Get ready. One. So let's write that down for number 3. Word number 4 is the word none. What word? Get ready. None. So let's write that in for number 4. For each word that you spell correctly, you will earn bonus tickets. So make sure that we're sounding out all of our sounds. At the end of this activity, I'll show you how to spell all of the words and we'll go over them. Word number 5 is going to be the word done. What word? Get ready. Done. So let's write that in for number 5. Word number 6 is going to be the word come. What word? Get ready. Come. So we'll write that in. And then our 7th and final word for part B is going to be the word love. What word? Get ready. Love. So let's write that in. So let's see how we did. Remember, for each word you spell correctly, you will earn bonus tickets. So word 1 was the word some, and we spell it, get ready, S-O-M-E. Great work. Our word 2 was the word above, and it's spelled A-B-O-V-E. Our third word was the word one, and it's spelled O-N-E. Our fourth word was the word none, and it's spelled N-O-N-E. Our fifth word was the word done, and it's spelled D-O-N-E. Our sixth word was the word come, and it's spelled C-O-M-E. And then our seventh word was the word love, and it's spelled L-O-V-E. So just as a reminder, all of these words, what they have in common is that they have the letter O, and then they all end with the letter E, right? All of them have the letter O, and then they end with the letter E. So great work, guys. Remember, give yourself a check mark in front of each word that you spelled correctly. If you got some of them wrong, please make your corrections. And then I'll see you in part C, which will be our final part for today's lesson. So find part C on your worksheet. We're going to write a sentence we've already learned how to spell. So the sentence should say, where were the girls going? So once again, the sentence is, where were the girls going? So let's say the sentence together. What's the sentence? Get ready. Where were the girls going? So what we need to do is fill in the missing letters. Once we've done that, underneath, we're going to have to write the sentence. Please remember, when we're writing a sentence, we need to start with a capital letter. So the first letter in our sentence, or in our first word, will be a W. So make sure that your W is an uppercase W. If we look at the end of the sentence, we notice there's a question mark. So remember, when you're writing the sentence underneath, make sure to add in your question mark. So once again, for part C, the sentence should say, where were the girls going? So great job in today's lesson, guys. Don't forget that on Monday, May 11th, you have your test. I've attached all of the words for you guys to review. So please continue to review those words and keep up the awesome work. Bye.